Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to add in your coupon or promo code inside Agoda. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to be using a web browser on my mobile device. You can do this on your PC or laptop. And then from here, go to agoda.com, make sure to log in. And then once you've logged in, you want to head over to the top of the page. Here will be 3 horizontal bars. So click onto that. And now if we scroll down under promos and rewards, click on coupons and deals. This is where you add in your coupon or promo code here. So add it in here and then it'll be automatically added to your next purchase inside Agoda. So if you just jot your promo code here, go back and then find the place. If you're looking for a hotel, flights and hotel flights activities, that promo code will be activated at the checkout section of your next purchase or purchases.